This one here is a rather more of an in-depth option where you can go into every single app and change the background battery usage restrictions for that particular app. So I'll show you now how to get there. So let's just say there's an app that you know of that's just, yeah, constantly running, using up your data, your battery life. So you want to go ahead and find the app, long press the app like this. And when you do that, this is going to happen. You'll see this little pop-up menu here show up, and you'll see that circle with the eye. As you tap on that, that's going to take you into the app info section. Now, once you're in the app info section, you are going to look for the battery saver option. So this here, when you go there, you can change the background settings of that particular app. So your app will most likely be set to either the battery saver option or no restrictions. So if that app is on no restrictions, that's gonna just basically go all out in the background without you knowing. So if you wanna keep it kind of restricted, you can switch over to close apps after 10 minutes, which with this option, within 10 minutes after you have exit the app or not using the app, it's gonna stop the background activity. And if you want to completely stop it from running in the background, switch to the restrict background activity, okay? So you can always come back and re-enable this if you want to and switch it back to battery saver for that particular app. Let's move on to the next one here.